Hey traders from around the world, what's going on? It's your boy Ricky Cadan back again with another free real life stock review. It's Friday, the end of the week, guys. Let's dive in and take a look at what happened in the markets. So I'll zoom in here, guys. The SPY. Now, I did mention on Wednesday, that right now we are fairly high. Expect a pullback to at least this red box. We are looking to kind of trade sideways at this particular level. We could very well potentially drop lower. If you take a look at the short-term moving averages, we are currently at the 10. If we do drop down to the 20 or maybe even the 50, I mean, those would be dip buying opportunities. Absolutely. If we do get that pullback in the markets, guys, it is very well expected. Obviously, this is a very nice bullish move right now, and I do expect us to at least have some sort of pullback in the market. So the SPY, a little bit bearish out there from last night's session, but all in all, definitely expected. Here's the E-minis. Now the E-minis just also topping out a little bit here. Great volume. I mean, we did get some bearish upper wicks as well previously from the previous few days, so you shouldn't have been super bullish at this particular level anyway if you were looking to trade futures. But the overall markets, guys, just is pulling back. It is, we are just having a little bit of a dip in the market, so allow it to pull back. Look to buy the dip on these great dip buying opportunities. Now, talk about bearish moves. Apple last night, I mean, this was an absolute scorcher. Take a look here, guys. We really did, just as soon as we took out this particular level, I mean, this particular level, that was it. As soon as that level was gone, take a look at the take a look at the 15-minute, and you'll see it right here, guys. You can see huge support, and as soon as this level was taken out, guys, we just basically screamed on bearish, which pretty much did bring a lot of the market down. Apple is a pretty good indicator which way the direction of the market's going to go, and it does fairly well control the vast majority of the big moves, so to speak. So Apple was looking a bit bearish, and pretty much after that happened, the rest of the market tended to follow. So Apple, if you did get to take this, guys, you would have caught this on the 5-minute. It was a really, really brilliant play. If I just turn on the VWAP right here, so really great breakdown from the pre-market level. So the pre-market level here was this particular red line. We kind of came down, broke lower, retested, and then failed, retested again, failed, and then, I mean, pretty much, guys, there was a lot of opportunities to take Apple bearish last night. So if you did get to catch Apple, then well done to you. Let's take a look at our weekly options newsletter, which was MU. Now, we didn't actually get triggered into this one. However, the analysis was uncanny. We did miss out by, a few pennies on this particular option. It was a sensational breakout above this particular this particular hammer candle right here, which is the reason why we took the trade, and we almost would have hit our target. So, I mean, sensational analysis. Unfortunately, we didn't get triggered into the trade, but we're going to go ahead and cancel that particular trade, as it's not looking super desirable at this point since we didn't get triggered and we almost hit our target already. So allow this one to pull back, guys. Obviously, with the market pulling back as well, we'll probably get another chance to play MU next week. So keep that one on your watch list. Here's the ASX 200. So the ASX 200, once again, chilling out at the red box and probably going to go lower. If you take a look at the shorter term moving averages, guys, if we come back down to the 50, that would be a really nice dip buying opportunity for the ASX 200 and a lot of other Aussie stocks out there. So keep an eye on the 50-day EMA next week. Definitely keep an eye on it next week. So RIO, here's RIO. Now, guys, I just want to mention we are pretty much at all-time highs. At least we were 4 days ago. And right now we are pulling back. So if you do own shares of RIO, you do want to get into some sort of collar position, at least to protect your asset, just in case we do start to drop. I mean, because we did have a fairly decent push this month from this 50. We went up about 10% in about 2 weeks or so. And right now we are just pulling back. We did get a really glorious retest gap, which is a white candle gapping up. gapping up above this previous all-time high, and right now we're just retesting. So shockingly enough, a retest gap is retesting. We've got earnings just around the corner, guys, so just keep that in mind. Hence why I was mentioning a collar position. Look to protect your downside. You don't want to lose money, especially when we're already so high on Rio. I mean, we're talking all-time highs in this month. Absolutely incredible. Here's ANZ. Now, ANZ also just kind of chilling at the moment. Now, the interesting thing about ANZ is we are really squeezing right now. So we have this sensational declining triangle right now, which is a very bearish pattern. If you take a look at the long-term moving averages, we're kind of just chilling out at the 100 simple. A level to note is this particular candle right here, guys. This particular candle was a nice little retest. It was a nice breakout and retest of this particular resistance level. So if we do have a pullback, I would be fair to mention that this is probably going to be where it's going to come down to at least. If you take a look at the long-term moving averages, it's the 100 simple moving average, guys. So the 100 simple, this particular level at 1741 is probably going to be a dip buying opportunity for ANZ. So keep your eyes peeled on that one. Here's crude oil. Now, crude oil just chilling. So we had this nice little breakout, and right now we're just retesting this particular breakout level. It's not going to scream bullish, guys. We've still got the 200 simple in our faces right now, but not much to see on crude oil. Here's gold. Now, gold is going higher. I've been mentioning this for a while. Most likely we're going to hit 2,000 this year. Definitely going to hit all-time highs this year. That's without question. But be long on gold, guys. It's a great hedge against the rest of the market, especially with what's going on with all the Fed printing money, etc. Gold is definitely becoming a hot commodity out there. So just be long on gold, guys. Probably not the best time to get in right now, considering we've had 6 bullish candles in a row. So just wait, just allow it to pull back just a smidge, maybe even trade sideways a little bit, and then look to buy on a dip. And last but not least, here's the Aussie dollar. I did mention we were going higher, and I did mention that 72 is probably 72 to 73 is going to be a selling level. We got fairly close just on Wednesday. Here, the high was 69. Sorry, the high of this candle was 71.83, so only 17 cents away from that particular selling level which I mentioned. And right now, guys, we are just creating a new high, so allow it to pull back a little bit, retest this particular level as a support, and then look to buy the dip on the Aussie dollar. But that's enough from me, guys. Now, huge announcement. If you didn't get this before, we are having an open house, guys. So go to www.reallifetrading.com.au and come up to the top of the page, and it says free week. Now, this is an open house event which I only hold twice per year, which I just open up the doors for anyone who wants to experience our trading room here live in Australia. We do give out stock tips. We do give out trade analysis live. You can ask questions. We talk about a whole bunch of different strategies, guys. It's an absolutely phenomenal event. You're going to take a lot away from this 2 weeks. It is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 7 p.m. till 8 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. So get involved. Scroll down to the bottom. Sign up. It's completely free. And I really look forward to seeing you guys there. Alright, guys, I'll be back next week with another free real life stock review on Wednesday. And until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.